Afternoon, everyone. I just got my nails and toes done. I think they're so cute. I never get like purple because I'm not the biggest fan of purple, but I think this is so cute. And my toes are coral jelly color. So I'm gonna go get lunch, and I ordered some Jet's pizza, and I've been craving it for the longest time. I'm so excited to get my pizza. Got my pizza. Me just wanting to show off my nails. Jet's Pizza has the best garlic sauce in my opinion. I cannot eat pizza without garlic sauce. Like, look at that. It's on my face. This is like amazing. I'm about halfway through. It feels really like nice and smooth. 8:28, 20 minutes later. I'm actually going really fast. I finished with 10 minutes to spare. And yeah, it's actually really fast. I just went on this whole cleaning kick. I made a yogurt parfait, chocolate, granola, chia seeds, or flax seeds, one of those, and strawberries. And the strawberries are so good. Like, I haven't had a good strawberry in so long. I just have regular yogurt. But I made that, and then I like cleaned my entire bathroom just out of nowhere. And I don't know, I always do that. I like make something for breakfast, and then I'll get distracted by doing something else. Yeah. Talk about a slow morning. It's raining outside. It's kind of nice to just look at. It's been the laziest morning ever, and I love it. Like, I've just been enjoying myself. It's coming down. Oh my gosh. I'm riding with my mom to the store because I was getting too comfortable on the couch and was slowly dozing off. Going to a few stores, and yeah, I really wanted to do my makeup just for fun. And she's already in the car, so that's not happening. Good morning. Lovely Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. Lovely Monday. It is another ugly, gloomy day. I made me another yogurt parfait. This is kind of like my breakfast fixation right now. My derm appointment is at 9 o'clock. I am still kind of nervous for it. Breakfast.
So it looks like the one's over a little bit, and then the other one is perfect. So
I might just eat them anyway. It's supposed to hit like 80 today, and I'm going outside. I'm supposed to be watching my nephew in an hour, so he should be over here. But I really want to take a bike ride since it's so nice outside. What? My mom has been on vacation, and when I tell you, me and my mom are like besties. She was on vacation. She had to go back to work today, so I'm like, what do I do now? A few updates about yesterday since I just didn't say anything yesterday. I went to my derm appointment, and that went super well. So that's really good. And then I had my interview. I had my interview yesterday, and that went super well to me. You know, with my interviews, at the end of them, I always ask for feedback. It's a little tip. For interviews, ask for feedback and what could you do to be like their top candidate that you could clarify or whatever. I asked for feedback. Because personally, I like get a feedback on my interviews and I ask for like anything I could clarify. And I mean, they said it went great. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm just gonna put on a basic outfit. I don't want to wear a sweatshirt because if it's hot outside, that wouldn't make sense, right? White shorts and a black t-shirt. I'm going to bike ride and I'm gonna walk my dog. And after the bike ride, and yeah, I like being active. I'm in my parents' bathroom, but my outfit is on. Like I said, super basic. I just bought these shirts though. I got them from Target. This is her in all her glory. Literally love this bike so much. Like, I'm enjoying myself so much and my head really hurts. So this is gonna be a short bike ride. This looks so good. But I don't have like a small sifter thing. So I'm just gonna use this. This is a lemon juicer. I'm gonna pour it right on top. And all the no strawberry we're getting, so. Putting it in, I'm gonna transfer it to this jar. I'm like a crazy jar lady, so I keep a whole bunch of jars. Just gonna pour this. Just made some strawberry lemonade. So oh no. These are not good on those. These muffins are like, my thing is with, oh gosh, with muffins is the difficulty of taking them out. But they fell apart. It fell apart completely. So I'm not a huge fan of this recipe. I don't like this recipe. I will link it, but it's like not muffiny enough. Like, there's this muffin tin at Target and it's silicone, so you could like just plop them out. That would be really useful right now because this one's making me actually extremely sad. I got ready. I've accepted that these muffins are gross. It's my outfit. The angle is really weird. This linen eyelet white top, the tie in the back. These are just like leggings but flared with pockets on the back. I made the top. These are from American Eagle last year, I think. Beautiful people, I feel so rejuvenated. My allergies have been attacking me and I took some it was my nose I was running like a faucet. I took some stuff and oh, I feel so much better. I'm about to leave the house finally. I was so tired of being in the house, so me and my mom, she got off of work and we're gonna go get some food.